Whitecross Windows Southwest, your local company with the personal touch. With over 30 years experience, Whitecross Windows Southwest offer replacement windows, doors and bespoke conservatories, along with fascias, guttering, downpipes and more. Failed sealed unit replacement, maintenance and repair. With many satisfied customers, Whitecross Windows are CERTAS registered and offer a 10-year insurance-backed guarantee from HomePro for your peace of mind. For a no-obligation quote or general inquiry, contact Barry by visiting www.whitecrosswindows.co.uk or call us on 01726 890 907 or 07814 014 128. Whitecross Windows Southwest, your local company with the personal touch.